Okie dokie. Let's just take the pendulum board out because I want to find out what's really going on with Alyssa Milano and Shannon Doherty, who really fucked up. So yes, it's going to be up and down. No is going to be no. It's going to be a short video because I literally have to do this reading and go to work. This is my angel stone. I think he wanted to be called Michael after Archangel Michael. So that is his name. Okay, Bogart's right here. We'll do one warm-up question. Is Bogart a horse? Is Bogart a horse? Is Bogart a horse? Is Bogart a cat? Is Bogart a cat? Okay. We got the yes and no. All right, let's ask the question. I know we've all been dying to find out, so. All right, Angel Stone. Did Alyssa Milano get Shannon Doherty fired off of Charmed? Did Alyssa Milano get Shannon Doherty fired off of Charmed? Did Alyssa Milano get Shannon Doherty fired off of the television show Charmed? There you have it. There you have it. But the bad bitches knew that already. If you like Alyssa, you're just a pick, I think.